Do you know the capital of Russia?
It's Moscow. I'm Russian.
Ah, привет. Do you know the capital of Ukraine?
Kiev.
And the capital of Portugal?
Lisbon.
Not bad.
Yeah, I'm not American, you know.
Oh wait, I forgot to do my daily affirmations. You're literally so fucking stupid.
I'm thirsty.
Hoping I'll find a glimpse of
At the end of the day, it's all fun and games until somebody gets hit on the head. You don't think about that, do ya? When you throw that up there, you don't think about the person that it hits. That could hit a single mother. Or even worse, an orphan. That could hit an orphan on the head.
If you could live forever, be immortal, would you? Yes or no, and why?
Immortal?
Yeah.
Just me or the people that I know as well too?
Would it affect your answer?
I would, yeah.
It would? Okay, so let's say just you.
No.
And you and everyone around you?
No.
I can already tell this is a juicy ass coke.
Hey, where'd you get that? You get that plant fruit?
First gon' stand my back. How my slime say slap. Slash, 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 slash.
Everything sucks. Just kidding. Everything is great. No, really, I haven't thought about my ex today. Oh wait, fuck, I just did. But I went outside for the first time in a few days, and it felt nice, and I might try doing exercise. Not really.
She's a 4, but she apologizes for everything she does and doesn't do. Do you think I'm a 4? She's 10, but she talks to animals like they're gonna respond.
This dude in his damn Tesla. Yo, bro, you can't park here. Seriously, you gotta skedaddle. You want me to call? I didn't realize you were chill like that. All right, you're good. That dude was so sick.
This wasp landed on my car and humped the window while staring at me until some liquid came out. Is this a violation?
Someone finally figured out what these catnip balls are for. The other one literally only has 3 brain cells.
We're gonna do this in a minute. Right, okay, cool. Look, 2 of diamonds, yeah? Look, we lose the 2 somewhere in the middle. Yeah? Watch. 1 card and 1 card only. Turns blue.
How? What the fuck?
Look, out of every single card, and that was in fact your 2 of diamonds.
Right, turn it back over. Turn it back over.
Keep it rolling.
Turn it back
Keep it rolling. Watch. We'll leave the 2 there. I'll put my foot on it, look. So no one can get to it. Jack says, Ben says stop again. Stop. Right there, okay, on the jack parts, right? Watch. No way is that jack. It turns blue again. Okay, so it didn't turn blue here, but there is a blue card here. I don't want to touch it. Go ahead. Turn it over.
and my boyfriend wanted to try this stunt.
How good is that?
Yes, pretty good.
We should try it.
No, John. No.
You are so boring.
I got a Glock in my Rari. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's mine. Wonder when she'll be mine. She walked past like praise rewind. To see that as one more time. And I got this soda.
Tattoo keeps going, it turns into a mountain. This is my first big struggle in life. But the lessons I learned from that were absolutely worth it.
I tell you a country and you tell me the nationality.
Okay.
If someone is from Portugal, they're
Portuguese.
Portuguese. If someone's from Denmark, they're
Demarkian.
Danish.
Same thing.
Thailand.
Thai.
Thai.
Period.
Ecuador.
Ecuadorian.
Ecuadorian.
Close.
Egypt.
Egyptian. Period.
Egyptian. And Malta.
Maltalitas.
Maltese.
I was close.
You stick your toe in it, and they suck it.
I'm gonna need that chicken.
Is it ever okay to cheat in a relationship?
What is a cheat?
Having two girlfriends at the same time or two boyfriends at the same time?
It's not legal, right?
No, it's legal. It's legal.
What?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. I thought it's illegal, right?
Oh, okay. Illegal. I love that.
Did you know that if you were born like a couple hundred years earlier, you would have to live outside and fight for every meal you ever had? I know. It's crazy.
I mean, it's okay. The one in Vegas is better. That one at least has a casino at the bottom.
I'll blow up into smithereens and spew my tiny symphony all up and down a city street while trying to put my mind at ease, like finishing this melody. This feels like a necessity, so this could be the 10th of me, or maybe just a better me. Now rub it with the Tiffany's and take a shot of Hennessy. I know I'm not there mentally, but you could be the remedy, so let me play my violin.
When I'm not with you, when I went with you, send this to your best friend.
Yo, oh my. Holy shit. Holy. Bro, it's so satisfying. Oh my god. Holy shit. Schmorg.
And I work like a dog, day and night, living off of coffee from a pot none of you want to touch.
Oh, fuck! Fuck the drugs, fuck the cigarettes, fuck that dumb bitch. It all starts fucking today, alright? No more fucking excuses.
What are you doing, bro? Can you knock before you come in my room? What are you doing? I'm learning about the metaverse. Nice. Turn my light back on. What are you looking at? Bro, I already told you, it's the metaverse. The Mempo team is building it. Can you fucking get out of my room? Put that down. Get the fuck out of my room.
Is it this would be the funniest thing. We've seen the kids playing this game where they slap each other with these things.
No.
That's too much.
What?
You can't hold it like that.
How are you supposed to hold it?
You gotta hold it in the back so it's all tortilla.
Here, that's it. Like that.
Yeah, like that. Don't fucking knock me out.
No, I'm not. But don't use your hand. Fuck around and put your whole hand back there.
Should I wet my tortilla?
No. No. Here we go.
Here we go.
So I win.
You wanna just...
So I win now.
Wait, I sweat.
Wait a second.
You gotta get, cause I'm a good fucking partner. You get a smack.
No, you moved your head.
I got scared.
Move your head.
I got scared. Go, hurry up.
You slapped the shit out of me by that fucking first one. You were busting my eardrum.
Well, that's us trying to keep up with the younger generation right there.
Never again.
Go see our movie, 29th.
Super
it comes
Pets.
out, Super Pets. All right? Good shit.
Good shit. My fucking eardrum is bleeding.
Am I tweaking?
You have got to understand that there are consequences to your actions.
You are like Papa!
Expectation versus reality, small business edition. First, show us the product you thought was going to be your best seller versus what turned out to be your actual one. Next, show us the product you thought was a great idea, but in reality turned out to be a bit of a mess. Lastly, show us the product you ordered tons of and can't seem to get rid of versus the one you never can seem to keep in stock.
Aren't you worried? About what? Oh my god, yeah.
Yo, bro, who got you smiling like that? Like,
add a little bit of spice.
From Meatball Monday to a Cajun chicken with Cajun seasoned grilled chicken breast. Different medium sub each day for just $6.55. From meat.
Babe, no. Chihuahua.
Well, let's start.
Germany, got it right. That's Germany. Yeah, that's Germany. Sit down.
Germany.
That's Germany. Sit down.
Germany.
Yeah, that's Germany.
Fuck me. Cameroon.
Nope.
Cameroon.
It's not Cameroon.
What the hell?
England.
Ukraine. No. Oh. Go on, sit down.
USA.
It's not USA.
Oh, excuse me, what year is it? It's 2284. Oh my God, the pandemic. Almost over. Brexit? Ongoing. HS2? Not even close. Jesus, can I get a drink of water, please? Negative. The last drop was drunk in the year 2040. Tell us what was water like. Oh my God, it was amazing. We had a lot of it. Probably didn't look after it as well as we could have. We had water fights. We used to just chuck it all over each other. We used to drink it all the time. We'd turn the tap on and we'd just wait for it to be the perfect temperature. And then we'd take a clean glass and for some reason we'd rinse it out again with... But you had no idea you were destroying the planet. No, we knew. Then what did your leaders do to stop Earth from dying? They put a 10p charge on plastic bags. Then why did you travel in aeroplanes when you knew the pollution was irreversibly heating up the planet? Oh my God, this is gonna sound bad. To go somewhere hotter.